learners, welcome to my channel Tananga Tech Education. Today I will cover the topic how to add timer to online quiz or online test. When we conduct any quiz or a test online using Google Form, then we want to set a timer to online quiz so that all students will get equal amount of time. So we can add timer to online quiz or test by using add-on timify.me. Timify.me is a web service or add-on that allows you to add timer into your form. It also collects form submission time. Now it is a third-party tool, so we require to install it in our Gmail account. Now I will show you live demo of how to install it in our Gmail account and how to configure it on Google Quiz. Now first step, sign in your Gmail account. After that, open your Google Drive and open your form or quiz. Now for demo purpose, I have created here small quiz. After that, after the send button, you will see here 3 vertical dots. Now click that 3 vertical dot. Now you will find here option add-ons. Click on that add-on. Now search here add-on timify.me. Now click on this icon. Now click on install. Now it will ask you permission to install. So say continue. Then it will ask your Gmail account where you want to install it. So I select here. It will take some time. Then it will ask you permission for drive, slides, etc. Then say allow. It will start installing. Depending on your net speed, it will take time. Now click here next. Now here it shows it requires some additional setup. So click on that additional setup. Now it will go to the site timify.me. Now here you sign in with your account, Gmail account. It will show you term and condition. Accept that term and condition. Then it will, you can find here, it will give you secure token. Copy that secure token and paste in Notepad. We require this secure token when we configure it on our Google Quiz. Now close this and click here done. Now you can check whether install or not, whether Timify is installed or not. Now before the theme button there is an icon add-on. Click on that. You can find here timify.me is installed. Now click on timify.me. It will show you 2 options, configure and help. Click on configure. Now paste here your secure token. And say connect. After that, click on enable timify.me for this quiz. Now Timify is enabled on this quiz, and you can find here it collects the submission time of the form using this submission ID field. Now next step is click on this synchronize form setting. And after that, go to the website timify.me. In that website, you will find that our Google form is synchronized with timify.me. Now there are three ways to deliver test. First way is create test. Second is using public form link. Now I will show one by one option for this. Now in create test, here you can add students' email addresses separated by commas. Now demo purpose, I will add one email address. After that, you can set the time duration, suppose 5 minutes. And after that, you can click on this option auto close form when time is over. Now your form answer will not submitted if the time runs out. The second option is hide timer, but this option is available only on paid version. Same thing, enable camera tracking also available on the premium plan. Now after that, you can click on this option allow to view the score after the test. Then click on create. Now you can find here for KB Gandhi it will create a unique test, and you can copy this URL and you can WhatsApp or you can send on KB Gandhi email. Now for demo purpose I will show here. Now you can see a timer for quiz. Like this. You can also send a test, send test to multiple students by using option send test. In test, you can send multiple tests to multiple students. Now here for sending test, you first create a test with all Gmail accounts. After that, you can select here to whom you want to send the test. Suppose for example, I select here my account for demo link. Then click on next. Here you can type here subject of the test and you can write a message like this is time-based quiz. Then after that you click on next. Then it will send the test to only vkgbca20@gmail.com. Then click on send test. After that you can check the Gmail account. See here, you can find here this is time-based quiz and open the form. Now quiz is started. Like this you can create a test. Now third option is public form link. Now in public form link there are two options, self-registration and second is pre-configured access. In pre-configured access you have to create first test and then you can copy the link to the WhatsApp group or Gmail addresses. In self-registration you click on this option. Now here you can set the timing for your quiz. Suppose here 5 minutes. Okay, auto close. After that allow to view the quiz. and save the option. After that, just copy this link and you can paste on WhatsApp group or you can send on a Gmail account. Now for demo purpose I will show here. Now when you copy this link, it will ask you Gmail account. For every Gmail account, for every student will get different link. Suppose for example, I demo purpose I type here. Now in Gmail account, you can find here your personal link. Open this link. You can find here quiz and open the form. This way you can set a timer by using personal link. Public form link is an easier option to send the test because it does not require you to know the Gmail address of the student. Only copy the public form link and send to students group or personally message them. Students having public form link will authenticate himself and give the test. Now there are more options. Customize. This option is available for the paid version. Here you can set the logo, background color, text color for the form. Then next option is CSV. Here you can, if you have the Gmail addresses in a Excel sheet, you can use this option for mailing list. Second option is for analytic. In this option, you can find when you send the test, what is submission fill time of the test, like that. For demo purpose, I have downloaded here. You can find here email, name of the test, when it is created, duration of the test, when it is sent, like that. Now next option is view the form. You can view the form here. Now with the Timify.me, with the free plan, only 100 tests can be given. Only 100 students can appear for the test. For paid version, it is available more options. Also, Timify.me made some changes in setting of the Google form, like now edit after submit. This option is disabled with Timify.me. Also, in presentation, show link to submit after response. This option is disabled or turn off when you use the Timify.me. If you want to help about Timify.me, click the option Get. After clicking on the Get option, you will get here see frequently asked questions. After clicking on this, you will get here this website timify.me/FAQ. You will find here all the options, all the information regarding the Timify.me. In this way, we can add a timer to your online test or online quiz using Timify.me. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.